Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone. If you found this quite helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. When you delete a photo on your iPhone, it first moves to the recently deleted folder and stays there for up to 30 days. Here is how to check. Open the Photos apps, scroll down and find Utilities and find recently deleted photos. Tap on it. You might need Face ID or your passcode to access it. If the photo is still there, select the three dots and choose Recover. Confirm the steps. If you already deleted it from the recently deleted folder, don't worry, there are other ways to recover it. If you have iCloud photo library enabled, your photos might still be saved in the cloud. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Go to iCloud, tap Photos. Since this photo is off, turn it on. This will re-download your iCloud photos and the delete photo might be repaired. Alternatively, visit iCloud.com. Open Safari and go to iCloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID and navigate to Photos. Search for the photo, select it, and click the three dots to download it. If you backed up your iPhone to your computer or iCloud after saving the photo, but before deleting it, you can restore the backup to recover the photo. Create a new backup first. Connect your phone to computer and create a fresh backup to save all your current data. Restore the old backup. On a Mac, use Finder, or on PC, use iTunes. Select your iPhone and choose Restore Backup. After restoring, check if the photo is back. If it is, save it somewhere safe, email or cloud storage. Restore your iPhone again using the most recent backup to go back all your current data. Finally, thoughts. If none of these methods work, the photo might be permanently gone unless you use third-party recovery tools. Always keep regular backups to avoid data loss in the future. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.